Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. And today we're going to show off this beautiful 2026 fully accessorized 4th generation Tacoma. Let's get started. Okay, so for starters, let's go ahead and talk about the exterior of the vehicle. The color is Underground 1L7. And we've got a full blackout theme going on here, starting from the front Toyota sombrero logo up to the iForce Max black overlay emblem. Blacked out windows. We went with an XPEL ceramic window tint, 20% in the front too to match the rears, and then a 85% XPEL tint on the glass, on the windshield glass. Tacoma blackout emblem overlay. This is an off-road package, so it's going to have black fender flares, black body side molding. And following the blackout theme around the back, we have the tailgate inserts in the flat black. This is also available in bronze, chrome, or gray. And then we also have the iForce Max blackout badge overlay for the hybrid logo. We went the TRD cast aluminum running boards, which come in a black polyurea coated finish for additional traction and durability. And then kind of moving into the wheels and tires, we went with the genuine Toyota accessory 18-inch wheel. The hybrid models like this one do come with a 18-inch rim, and then the gas versions come with a 17-inch rim. But this is the accessory 18-inch wheel. We did go ahead and replace the lug nuts with the Tundra black lug nuts, which is required for this particular wheel. We went with this wheel because we want the black theme, but also the 40 millimeter offset that you get additional, and then also the large tires on it. We chose to go with Toyo Open Country AT3, which we do on many of our builds. And this is a net effective 34.6-inch total diameter with 11.5-inch total width. To make these tires fit with the 2.5-inch TRD lift kit, you do need to remove the mud flaps to avoid having any rubbing at all. And then one other little detail that we did is we removed the TRD off-road bed decal. So as I mentioned, this truck has the TRD 2.5-inch lift kit. This is available as a factory installed option or soon to be a dealer installed option as well. It's going to come with the additional Bilstein suspension that's going to be 2.5 inches higher, red coil springs, as well as the billet aluminum TRD silver upper control arm. Okay, let's go and talk about some of the bed accessories that we've installed on this truck. This is the Revolver X4TS rolling tonneau cover. We chose to go with this particular model for a couple of reasons. One, we wanted to have a completely flat looking tonneau cover without using a trifold. We use a lot of the rolling style ones that from the inside, but this particular customer that bought this truck does not want to lose any space on the inside. So the nice thing about this tonneau cover is it still has the rigid aluminum rails, and then you can just roll it all the way back. Advantage of this is going to be, again, no lost space on the inside, but also no hard trifold pattern that's going to take up room, that's going to make this much space unusable, or having something that flips up under the back. So this will also lock in place. The only disadvantage of this particular tonneau cover is that you can't really have it in a middle position. It needs to either be completely shut or it needs to be completely rolled back and then locked in place. So one additional detail that we chose to upgrade on this X4, this is the TS model for the T-slot. This is available with or without this additional T-slot here. So if you need to add more accessories on the truck, this would be the model to go with. Okay, so now that we got the bed opened up, we added the NSV Toyota Genuine Trailhunter air compressor, which goes in right here. So that the compressor is actually behind this plastic board. And then when you open this up, you have your air compressor controls. Go ahead and power that on, and you have the ability to select your tire pressure in PSI to wherever you want it to be, and this will inflate or deflate. There is a handy little Toyota compressor kit that is included with this accessory. It comes with the hose right here, and all you do is just plug it in, and then on the other end it's already going to come preloaded with pre-hosed, I guess, with a valve stem. And then of course if you want to change it to like an inflatable for a water sport or a sport ball or anything like that, it comes with all the adapters inside the kit with a tire repair kit and a couple screwdrivers for the tire repair kit. This truck also has the Toyota Genuine 5-foot bed rubber bed mat. Okay, so we did upgrade the rear bumper with the ARB rear bumper. This is actually a Toyota Genuine accessory. It can be installed at the dealer as we did it on this truck here, or you can have it installed at the factory. There are two versions of this bumper. If you have a premium package that has the parking sensors, then you are going to want the one that we have installed on this truck because this does have the premium package. If you have a base SR5 or a base TRD that doesn't have a premium package on it, then you're going to want the same bumper that doesn't have the cutouts for the parking sensors. So There are 2 model numbers. We'll link both of them in our video notes below. We also added the ARB recovery hooks. These, again, a Toyota genuine accessory part. They are sold individually, left and right. One thing to note is if you did have the Toyota genuine bed step, it would not be compatible with the passenger side tow hook because they would conflict with each other. But you can buy each one of these as a separate part number. They're not sold as a pair. And also, these ARB recovery hooks are compatible with the ARB rear bumper, or if you have just your normal bumper, they're gonna mount and still be compatible with both the factory and the ARB bumpers both. Okay, so now that we are underneath the vehicle, we did remove the Toyota chin spoiler, which is there really just for additional fuel economy and aerodynamics. But we took it off because this is a TRD off-road with a lift kit. It's going to go off-road, and we want to make sure that it has the best approach angles and also just looks a lot cooler. So we added the ZR Tactical billet aluminum front recovery hooks. These are the red version of it. They install with the same 2 bolt patterns that comes on the tow hooks that come from the factory, but these are true recovery hooks. These actually do work with or without the chin spoiler on it, but of course we have the chin spoiler pulled off right now. Also, we have the factory accessory TRD metal skid plate right here. For the front fog lights, we went ahead and replaced the standard 1x6-inch Toyota fog lights with these high-powered Diode Dynamics 8145s. These are your typical 1x6 pattern, which is going to fit in 3rd generation Tundra, 3rd generation Sequoia, 6th generation 4Runner, or 4th generation Tacoma. Chose to go with yellow just because it's easier to see when it's foggy out or when it's snow on the ground. These are cool because they have a yellow back glow, which is going to match the parking lights that are on the vehicle. So it's going to look good, and the colors match up quite nicely. Of course, when you turn them on, it's 35 watt. It's a driving pattern on it. So this is a nice upgrade to any Tacoma or 4Runner or Tundra for that matter. And that's a wrap on our 2026 TRD iForce Max Tacoma build. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for future Tacoma content. If you have any questions whatsoever, please ask in the comment section. And if you have any interest in purchasing a truck like this or any parts, please check out our links to our parts.edmartintoyota.com, which you can see every single accessory on this truck listed below for sale.